Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients on a clean counter. Use 2 cups packed fresh basil, 1/2 cup pine nuts, and 1/4 cup nutritional yeast for a nutty, cheesy flavor. Add 2 cloves garlic, 1/3 cup extra virgin olive oil, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice to balance brightness and mouthfeel. Measure 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper before blending. Set aside optional add-ins like 1/4 cup toasted walnuts or 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes to adjust heat. Place basil, pine nuts, nutritional yeast, and garlic into a food processor or high-speed blender. Pulse basil and nuts for 10 to 15 seconds to avoid overheating and preserve color. With the motor running, slowly stream in 1/3 cup olive oil to form a stable emulsion and add 1 tablespoon lemon juice for brightness. Scrape the sides and blend in 5 to 7 second bursts until you reach a uniform, spreadable texture. Finish by tasting and adding 1/2 teaspoons salt if needed. Use the pesto right away by tossing with 8 ounces cooked pasta, thinning with 1 to 2 tablespoons of pasta water for glossy sauce, or spread 2 tablespoons on sandwiches and crostini. For serving, garnish with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast or crushed nuts. Store leftover pesto in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days. Freeze extra pesto in ice cube trays for up to 3 months, and transfer cubes to a labeled freezer bag for single-serve thawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.